There's something special about slow mornings. Maybe your morning look different, and that's okay. Before the day gets busy, I like to take a little time to enjoy the quiet and appreciate the simple things. I think mornings have a way of setting the tone for the rest of the day. When I begin the day slowly, I find myself feeling more present, less rushed. It doesn't always happen that way, but whenever I can, I like to create a little space to simply breathe before everything else begins. Preparing breakfast has become one of my favorite parts of the day. It's a chance to slow down, breathe, and start the morning with gratitude. These little routines may seem ordinary, but they quietly shape our lives. Making tea, preparing bread, and setting the table, these simple habits remind me that happiness isn't always found in extraordinary moments. More often, it's hidden in the things we do every single day without even noticing. I believe a home doesn't have to be perfect to feel peaceful, and joy isn't always found in big moments or often lives in the small ones. It's the everyday routines, that shared meals, and the quiet moments that truly make it special. For me, a peaceful home isn't about expensive furniture or perfect decorations. It is about creating a place where you can rest, feel safe, enjoy life's simple blessings, and even small moments like sitting down with a warm drink can become memories worth holding on to. Thank you for spending part of your morning, evening, afternoon, or even your night, depending on what time you will be watching my video. If today has been busy for you, I hope these few quiet moments remind you to slow down whenever you can. Life doesn't always give us the chance to pause, but when it does, it's worth embracing. Sometimes the most meaningful parts of our day are the ones that seem the simplest. Until the next diary, take care of yourself and keep finding joy in every day's life.